Hey world, in this video, this is Magic Rubik's Juggler, and today we're going to show you how to solve 2x2 Rubik's Cube or whatever brand you have. So in this video I'm using a Land 2x2. This is the 2x2 I recommend. It's a very good cube. The cubies are a little bit big. Here's a comparison to a 3x3. And the cubes are pretty big. It's almost as big as a 3x3. A little smaller, but it doesn't matter. I like it. So I know a lot of other people like the Ishin 2x2. I would stay away from Rubik's though. I've heard they're like popping and really bad stuff. So first thing you want to do is scramble. So while I'm doing this, I'll tell you a little bit. So the method I'm going to teach you right now, you only need to learn 2 algorithms, one of which is the same as the original method as solving the 3x3. The other is the soon case, if you solve it that way. I don't, but it doesn't matter. If you do, good for you. I'll just show you how to use them. So the first thing you want to do is get a face. Now I'm going to do this for people who don't know how to solve it. So if you're out there, I'm going to show you how to make the first layer. You already know how to do that. It's the same thing, just RIDIRD. Same thing as solving a 3x3. So if you already know how to do it, just skip ahead. So the first thing you want to do is find the corner, and that's your starting point. So I'll do the white, green, and red corner piece. So I'm going to find one that has white and red, or white and green in it, because that'd go there or there, whichever it's depending. So here's one. It's the white, red, and blue. So without moving this, I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to put it right over here. Actually, no, I don't need to. Yeah, I'll put it right here. Now I'm going to hold it within the bottom right in this cube. I'm going to do this algorithm. And it's a very simple one. It's only 4 moves, and you repeat them. And it's right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Now it's there. You're going to have to do it twice more. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Now for all you people out there wondering, I could have just put it here, but just for the sake of simplicity, I'll just show you how to do it with the algorithm. So I'll find another one. So here's one. It's a green and purple and white. So green and purple and white. So I don't have to do right inverted, down inverted right now. Well, I could, but it'd take 5 times. So I'm going to do this. So with it right there, I'm going to twist the bottom layer so it's on the left. Right inverted, bottom or down, right. And that speeds up without changing any of these. Now to finish the last layer, we could do 5 times, but I'll do it again like this. So you twist it once to the right on the bottom, down, and up. Now you have the first layer done. So the next step is to flip the cube over, and you have to know the color scheme of your cube. So on this one, it's white is opposite yellow, green is opposite blue, and red's opposite purple. Now on a Rubik's brand, or I'm not sure if it's on a 3x3 Rubik's brand, white is opposite yellow, green's opposite blue, and orange is opposite red. You just have to sort of figure that out yourself. So in my case, white is opposite yellow. Now there's some things you want to look through. I think 3 cases. One case is it's just 1 dot, and whenever you have just 1 dot, you always hold it in the bottom left corner of the top face. It doesn't matter where. So if it's there, and you do the same algorithm. Now there's another case. And that's another case. There may be a case where you have 2 that are diagonal from each other. You just hold one in the bottom left and just do it. You may have to do it more than once. And the final case is if you have 2 on the top. Then you just do that. You have to do it, I think, like 3 times. And there's one other case where it's 2 on top, and these 2 are across from each other. And you do that once, then you'll have nothing on the top, and you'll have a bar, like right there, and you'll have opposite headlights. You hold so the bar is away from you, and that'll get the top thing. So in my case, I hold it like this. I do this algorithm. It's the same as in a 3x3, and that is R U R I U R U U R I, and that gets the top face. Now, I got lucky. I could just solve it like that. I'm going to show you one thing. There's one more thing you're going to need to do if you want to solve it. And that is, here, I'll just quickly solve this. Where is it? Okay, now I'll get the top layer. Okay, here it is. So there are 2 cases now that you have the yellow on top, white still on the bottom, and you have all the yellows on top. Now there's one case, and this is my case, where you have 2 that are in the right spot, oriented correctly, and 2 that are in the wrong spot. And when you have this, you hold it so the 2 right ones, so one of the right ones is in the bottom left, like before. There's another case where you have, let me just think, I'll show you. Where you have 2 bars, and they're consecutive, so they're right next to each other that are right, and you have 2 that aren't. In this case, you only have to do the algorithm once, and you hold the correct bars away from you with yellow on top. And this is the algorithm, and that is RI F RI B2 R FI RI B2 R2 U, and you've solved the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Now there are some shortcuts, but I'm not going to show you that right now. Thanks for watching.